1971 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 full frame off restoration. It is painted in Mercedes-Benz paint. The body is laser straight. Paint and body on this car, or I apologize, this SUV alone, were about $6,000. Has brand new glass, new interior, 6-inch lift kit, new wheels, new tires, power steering, power front disc, cross-drilled disc brakes, new rear drums. Everything on it is new. There's roughly 4,000 miles on it since it's been put together. Spare 2 jerry cans, ambulance style rear hatch. Majority of the rubbers and stainless accessories are all new. An original Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 booklet has bolstered leather 6-way power heated seats. And they are functioning. Ultimate comfort. It is a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The entire dash panel has been painted body color to match, as well as the interior doors. Full frame cage all the way throughout. Unfortunately, the top has not been painted. It was mostly used without a top on it in the one summer that this vehicle has been out. Odometer gauge cluster. See, all of the seals are new in the glass. Once again, power 6-way seats with memory, full cage, modern steering column, giving you tilt, Grant steering wheel, odometer, white face, RPM gauges, converted over to an automatic transmission, heater, wipers, all functioning. It has about 583 miles on it. I'm not sure if you're able to see that. Since restoration. VIN plate here. Shoulder belts have been added in for safety. Huge upgrade. Probably the first one of these I've ever seen with shoulder harnesses. Column mounted switch. As you can see, they've done it correctly. Delete plate, there's no blank switch there. Gauges are functioning. That was a cold start. It's been sitting in the booth overnight. Small block Chevy engine. It is a crate 350. I'm sure if you see that, a GM crate 350. Running manifolds, no headers, so it's not extremely loud. Once again, power steering, power disc brakes. Take a look at the brakes here shortly. Engine has great response. Once again, everything on it is name brand. Aluminum radiator, electric fan, no overheating issues. You see the straightness of the body here. Not sure if you're able to see the cross-drilled rotors in there. Huge upgrade on a vehicle like this. It's perfectly still. Undercarriage has been detailed Once again, it's a full frame off. It has been dipped in POR. You can see the texture of the rail. Rear drums are new. Doors closed with ease. So here it is, probably one of the nicest FJ40s on the market. 1971 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Automatic transmission, small block crate, Chevy engine, heated seats, Mercedes-Benz paint, 6-inch lift, convertible.